Hello guys, welcome to the final section of the final part of section 3, which is part 3. Okay, so this is section 2, please, multimedia. And let's get back to it. Now I have created a file named video.html, and this web page we want to include video into it, so we call the video element this way, and then we close our video elements. Okay, and out of that nothing happened. You have to pass out the src attribute. When we pass out the source attribute, we'll give it a location. So we come here and we say media. When we give it a media, which video do we want? Do we want harris.mp4 or we want 16.mp4? And we give it that one. When we Ctrl+S it, that is to save it, and we live reload it, this is what you will get. Okay, it is being displayed nicely for us, but we can also specify it works just like the audio, which takes autoplay, for instance. So Ctrl+S, come back to it, and we have an autoplay. So when we reload our web page and let's see what happens. It autoplay it for us. Okay, our video is being auto-played for us. Okay, our video is being auto-played because we added the autoplay attribute. In this case, I'm going to add another attribute called controls. Okay, so controls, Ctrl+S would make it become what would give it a control, so that the person can click whether to play, to pause, give it a volume, or make it mute, maximize it, or minimize it. So controls gives you the ability to control how the video, give the user the ability to control how the video should do, whether to play, to decrease the volume, or anything. And it also accepts the alt. Okay, so that when the browser is failing to load, what should it say? The name of the video is, let's say, Korean series, something like that. Okay, and Ctrl+S it, so when it's failing to load, then this will be displayed for the person to see. Now we can also say loop, which when the video is done, it will automatically start another one. So let's say autoplay loop Korean series. Let's go here. Now I'm going to use another browser in displaying this particular video. So let's go to the folder and then right click on it, go to open with, and go to Microsoft Edge. Okay, so you see okay, so the video plays, the video keep playing, when it ends, it starts again. So that is the way to use all this shoe stuff. Control, okay, so that is the way to autoplay it, and you can make it user friendly. That is when you don't add the controls, it will automatically play, the user cannot stop it, it will keep playing and playing and playing and playing, and my guy, that is the way it works. So with this little explanation, and this lecture would help you understand how to include video inside your web page. Now you can also give it a let me give it a last thing, a title, so that when you hover over it, it has a title for the video. So the title of the video is 16. Okay, 16 Korean video. Let's just Korean shoe. Okay, let's just say shoe. So you can give it a title, and when you Control plus S it, give it a control autoplay. Let's take it out, we don't need it now. You have understood what the autoplay function does, attribute does. So let's just go back to it. Okay, when we come here and we put our mouse over it, the title is being displayed nicely for us as 16 Korean words. So when we bring our mouse into it, 16 Korean shoe, that is the title of the video. So guys, that is the way to include video file inside your web page. Till we meet again, I would say salam, and our next one we would look at more about divs and then span. So salam.